8 to 12 hours ka sa cellphone, tapos lagi ka pang puyat. Ano bang worst na pwedeng mangyari sa mata mo? You might think na okay lang kasi sanay ka na. But your eyes are already begging for help. Hi, I'm Doc Karina of Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Sa dami ng ginagawa natin sa phone, entertainment, social media, normal na ang 8 hours to 12 hours screen time. Tapos, puyat ka pa gabi-gabi. Pero alam mo ba kung anong epekto nito sa mata mo? Every time that you are glued to your screen and lacking sleep, you blink less. Your tears evaporate too fast. Your oil-producing gland sa eyelids mo starts to clog. And here's the worst part. Kapag tuluyan nang namatay ang gland na yan, hindi na sila bumabalik. Walang luha, walang oil layer, walang protection ang cornea mo. And this leads to severe dry eyes, blurred and unstable vision, kahit bago pa yung salamin mo. Light sensitivity, scratches, and scarring on the eye surface, and eventually, vision loss that no eyeglasses or drops can fix. Minsan, wala pang nararamdaman. Pero habang tumatagal, your quality of life and vision slowly goes down. And here's the good news. We can catch it earlier and stop the damage. At Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we use AI-assisted diagnostic to check kung gaano katagal na nananatiling buo ang luha mo sa mata mo. We offer personalized dry eye treatment plan, eyelid therapy, safe targeted eye drop. Hindi mo kailangan tiisin ang pagod sa mata mo araw-araw. Your vision deserves real care. Hi, I'm Doc Karina and we're here at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab to help you protect your eyes in this non-stop digital world.
Bukad Vision.